welcome and thanks for joining us today at Drone Expo 2026. We are so glad to have you here and we are excited to know your experience at Drone Expo 2026. So let us start with couple of questions. Please introduce yourself and tell us about your company.
So myself, Vaibhav Tripathi, I am from the Drone Technologies Private Limited. So we are primarily in the AR, VR, MR and the AI based solution. Majorly focused towards the critical mission or critical organization like defense, aerospace, manufacturing, healthcare, and also the education as well. So we primarily work on that area.
Okay, that's nice, sir. Which products are you showcasing today at Drone Expo?
So in Drone Expo, basically we showcase couple of our flagship products like a Q Connect, Q Intel. We showcase and also we demonstrated like how the tactical planning can be do the better way for the defense experience point of view.
That's nice, sir. In your views, what is your greatest strength that keeps you unique from others?
So in this area, there are lots of companies who are working in the basically virtual reality, but nobody is working in the primarily in the mixed reality segment, where mixed reality is like you wear the glasses, smart glasses, you can able to see the physical space, you can able to see the digital space as well, and it integrate along with the other devices, peripherals, other technology as well. Would give you the boost in terms of that. So we have got a little edge in terms of that to the other competitors.
That's nice, sir. What message would you like to give? Would you like to share with your visitors, customers, and the individuals who are exploring your store?
So basically, we the one message like Drone Technology Private Limited is basically working on this domain and closely working with the government organization, defense organization, and we are doing such of good innovation. We are a deep tech company and we are trying to disrupt this ecosystem. So do support us, do like us, do follow our page, and wherever possible, just forward those messages to the other people.
Thank you so much, sir. It was nice meeting you. I hope you have a great experience at Drone Expo 2026.
Yes.
We are bringing it again in the month of September in New Delhi. Would you like to participate?
Yes. I based out in Delhi only. I based out in the Noida. So definitely we visit. We would be there and we'll again exhibit the things and we can present the new innovation along with the current innovation and we'll showcase our solution and the technologies over there as well. Thank you.